Hello YouTube. This is Akara. It's Akara Cheyenne. Yes, it's me. Hair's kind of messed up right now. Hold on. Let's see. It's like sticking up. It's like sticking up. Okay, there we go. Alright. Anyways, I'm kind of bored. This will be a short video, but anyways. Oh, I just dropped it in the water. Well, anyways. I've just spent like 3 minutes on this, so you better go add on my space. Hold on. Jesus. Okay. Look. Look at this. Spent 3 minutes on this. Alright. Go add me. MySpace.com/578002225. Yes, that's my MySpace. Oh yes. Yes, indeed. What a do. I'm so lame. Anyways. Yeah. That's about it. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna get back on the computer, browse the web.